As Air Force One soared toward Israel, US President Mr. Donald Trump dropped another headline-making statement as always. Reporters abroad, they asked about what he expects from the upcoming Gaza Peace Summit, but instead, Trump shifted gears, reacting to the explosive border clashes between Pakistan and Afghanistan that have left a lot of people dead. His message? Calm, confident, and classic Trump way. They'll have to wait till I get back. Well, the whole situation on the ground, however, is anything but calm right now. In the past 48 hours, fierce sea fighting has erupted alongside the Durand Line, the rugged border that separates Pakistan and Afghanistan. According to local sources, Taliban fighters launched heavy attack on Pakistani military post, accusing Islamabad of violating Afghan territory. Here, Pakistan responded with the firing, leading to casualties on both the sides. Villagers have been fleeing the area as the violence intensifies every single day. A grim reminder of how fragile peace in the region really is. Now, for Mr. Trump, this is yet another flashpoint in the world, already burning with a lot of crisis, from Gaza to Ukraine. In fact, speaking to the reporters, he said that this, he means Gaza, will be my 8th war that I have resolved. And now I hear there is a war going on between Pakistan and Afghanistan. I'll have to wait till I get back. Well, it was his way of saying that the US will step in, but not yet. Well, his remarks came just days after Venezuela's opposition leader, Maria, he won the Nobel Prize, and that too Nobel Peace Prize that Trump wanted, a move that Trump subtly took credit for. Let me quote what he said, "I did this not for the Nobel, I did this for saving lives." Whether you believe that or not, it's clear that Mr. Trump sees himself as the global deal maker, the one who can put out the fires wherever they burn. But here's a larger question, Mr. Trump. Can you really juggle multiple crises? Be it Gaza, Russia, Venezuela, India, and now Pakistan, Afghanistan, all at once. Now, analysts say that his hands are already full, yet his team insists that Trump's administration is monitoring the South Asian border very closely and may engage through diplomatic back channels once the Israel summit concludes. For now, the world is watching two very different battlefields unfold. One in the Middle East, where Trump is trying to broker peace, and another one in South Asia, where old rivalries between Pakistan and the Taliban threaten to ignite a new war. And yes, Trump's message from 35,000 feet up couldn't have been clearer here. I will handle that next.